Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of online income. That's right, we're talking about 5 crucial tips for making money online. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash on the side or build a full-blown online empire, these tips are designed to give you the foundation you need to succeed. So whether you're completely new to this or you've already dipped your toes in the water, stick around because we're about to break down how to effectively invest your skills and time for maximum profit.
Look, the internet is a big place, and you can't be everything to everyone. The first step to making real money online is finding your niche. Identify a specific area where you have expertise or a strong interest. Are you passionate about photography? Maybe you're a whiz at writing code or have a knack for graphic design. There's a way to monetize it online. Get specific with your niche. The more specific you are, the less competition you'll face. Finding the right audience is key. Focus on a niche to attract a targeted group of people. Build multiple income streams around different niches, but start with one. Spreading yourself too thin can lead to burnout. Choose a niche that genuinely excites you. Once you've found your niche, start building your online presence.
Let's be real. The online world moves at the speed of light. What works today might be obsolete tomorrow. And if you're not constantly learning and adapting, you'll quickly fall behind. That's why my second crucial tip for making money online is to invest in continuous learning. Think of it like this. Your skills and knowledge are your most valuable assets in the digital world. The more you invest in developing those assets, the more valuable you become, and the more income potential you unlock. Now, when I say invest, I don't just mean throwing money at every online course you come across. While paid courses can be incredibly valuable, there are also tons of free resources available online, like YouTube tutorials, blog posts, and even free online courses offered by platforms like Coursera and edX. The key is to be strategic about your learning. Identify the skills that are most in demand within your niche, and focus on developing those skills. For example, if you're in the world of digital marketing, you might want to learn about SEO, social media advertising, or email marketing. Another great way to stay ahead is to network with other people in your niche. Attend online conferences, join Facebook groups, and engage with people on social media. Remember, the online world is constantly evolving, and the only way to stay ahead is to evolve with it.
I know, we all want to be overnight successes, raking in millions while working from our laptops on a beach somewhere. But the truth is, building a sustainable online business takes time. That's why my third crucial tip is to start small and scale gradually. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't start by trying to build the entire structure all at once, would you? You'd start with a solid foundation, then gradually add walls, a roof, and so on. The same principle applies to building an online business. Don't try to do too much too soon. Instead, focus on building a strong foundation by starting with a small, manageable project. This could be launching a simple website, creating a basic online course, or offering your services on a freelance platform. The goal here isn't to make a ton of money right away, it's to learn the ropes, gain experience, and build momentum. As you start to see some success with your small project, you can then gradually scale up by adding new products or services, expanding your reach, and investing more resources into your business. One of the biggest mistakes I see people make is trying to be everything to everyone right out of the gate. Remember, it's better to be really good at one thing than mediocre at a bunch of things. So, start small, focus on your strengths, and gradually expand your offerings as you gain experience and build a loyal audience. Remember, building a successful online business is a marathon, not a sprint.
In today's digital age, if you're not leveraging social media, you're missing out on a massive opportunity to connect with your target audience and grow your business. My crucial tip is to utilize social media effectively. You don't need to be on every platform, but be strategic about where you invest your time. Identify the platforms where your target audience is most active and focus on building a strong presence there. For a younger demographic, platforms like TikTok and Instagram might be your best bet. If you're targeting professionals, LinkedIn is a must. Create engaging content that provides value to your audience. Think about the problems your audience faces and create content that helps solve those problems. Establish yourself as a trusted resource and build a community around your brand. Social media can be a powerful tool for building your brand, connecting with your audience, and driving traffic to your website or online store.
Let's be real for a second. Building a successful online business is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of patience. That's why my fifth and final crucial tip is to stay committed and patient. Look, the internet is full of stories about overnight successes, but the truth is those stories are often misleading. What you don't see behind the scenes are the years of hard work, the countless failures, and the unwavering commitment that led to that overnight success. The reality is, building a sustainable online business takes time. It takes time to build an audience, it takes time to refine your products or services, and it takes time to figure out what works and what doesn't. There will be times when you want to give up, when you feel like you're not making progress, and when you question whether it's all worth it. But it's during those times that you need to dig deep, remind yourself of your why, and keep pushing forward. Remember, success is not a straight line. There will be ups and downs, twists and turns, and unexpected detours along the way. But as long as you stay committed to your goals, learn from your mistakes, and never give up, you will eventually achieve the success you're striving for. With these 5 tips, you can establish a solid foundation for making money online. Remember, finding your niche, continuously learning, starting small, utilizing social media, and staying committed are all crucial for your success. Always be prepared to seize new opportunities and continually update your strategies as the digital landscape evolves. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and valuable content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon in our upcoming videos.